Hi everybody, it's Dan from Danco Residential Painting and Maintenance. You can reach us on the internet at www.youredmontonpainters.com, or you can reach us at DandcoPainting.com. That's DancoPainting.com or youredmontonpainters.com. So here we are, guys. We're just starting this project. This is a residential repaint that we like to get going on. These are our favorite types of projects. When working with our clients, they've left this one wide open for us. It's a renter that moved out on them, left some damages on the wall. They're looking at reselling this place and hoping to get rid of it here. You can see the color is a little bit brown, kind of dated. The doors are pretty badly beat up. The trim is pretty scuffed up and dirty as well. We're going to paint it top to bottom. We've got some repairs we're going to do to the walls as mentioned. 3 bedrooms, 3 upstairs. We got the stairwell we're going to paint, brighten it up as well. You can see it's fairly dark in here, so hopefully we can brighten it up with a fresh coat of paint. 2 coats on the walls, 2 coats on the trim. We're going to caulk and seal all the trim. 2 coats on the doors, remove the door handles, remove all the hardware off the walls, sand everything, prep everything, patch everything. And then once we're kind of in the middle of that, I'll take another in-between progress video. You can see there's a pink room. I'll take another video while we're in between the project and see how progress is going. But here it is, guys. So it's Dan from Danco Residential Painting and Maintenance. Reach us on the internet, youredmontonpainters.com or dancopainting.com.